Moving from an agricultural society through the industrial history, this Lehigh Valley region forged a nation. It was the Moravians that had settled here, and it really all started with their hands and the amount of time and effort that they put into their work and their craftsmanship turned into huge industry. The fact that there were so many natural resources that were inherent to the region, it just makes sense. Cement was huge in the region, Bethlehem steel, of course, and what really put them on the map was the World Wars, with the innovations that they were able to make here, right here on this property, with bending steel to be able to go into those ships. It just catapulted the whole region.
Our products are known throughout the country and even throughout the world.
With Bell Labs and the innovations that they had, this region just continued to be on the forefront of manufacturing.
The Lehigh Valley continues to drive this nation forward in manufacturing.
It's really just uniquely located.
Easy to serve the New York City, Philadelphia markets, and beyond. You've got the workforce here to serve it.
You are able to go home at the end of every day saying, we did good work, we put a good product out.
It gives you a sense of accomplishment.
Manufacturing is a way to go for me. It made me the best life that I possibly give with me and my wife.
What else can you ask for?
We have some really iconic brands here in the Valley.
Anywhere you go in the world, you'll be like, oh, I made those.
Those are perfect examples of how the innovation entrepreneurial spirit really just continued to breed in this region.
Manufacturing in Lehigh Valley has always been a very strong driver in the GDP. It's here and it's here to stay and it's going to grow.
You see something exciting, you go and become part of that. A lot of manufacturing companies are settling here in this region because of that.
Manufacturing puts the Lehigh Valley on the map.